In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a right sidebar in a WordPress theme. Whether you're customizing your website for a more personalized look or trying to improve its functionality, adding a sidebar can be a game changer. It's not just a place for navigational elements, it can also feature widgets, social media links, recent posts, or contact info. Let's dive into how you can easily set this up. First, you'll want to access your WordPress dashboard. Simply log in with your credentials. Once inside, look at the sidebar menu on the left-hand side. This is where we'll begin our journey. Navigating through the settings is pretty intuitive once you know where to go. Click on Appearance and then select Widgets. This is where you can manage all the widgets you want in your sidebar. You might notice that your theme already has sidebars predefined, but we are focusing on customizing to meet your specific needs. Browse through the list of available widgets. Common choices include search bars, recent post lists, and text boxes. Keep in mind that not every widget will make sense for every website, so think about what will be most useful to your audience. Next, let's add the sidebar itself. Hover over Appearance once again and click on Customize. Here, you'll be taken to a live preview of your site with a settings panel on the left. Scroll down and find a section called Widgets or Sidebar, depending on your theme. If your theme supports multiple widget areas, you'll see different options. Select the right sidebar. This action will open the editing panel where you can drag and drop your desired widgets into the sidebar. Think of it like rearranging furniture. You want to highlight the pieces that are both most functional and attractive for those visiting your site. Remember, the goal is to enhance the user experience. For any changes to take effect, make sure you hit the Publish button. This button is the gateway between your customizations being a draft and turning into a live website feature. It's easy to overlook, but critical otherwise. Nobody else will see the sidebar you've worked so hard to create. Now, let's talk about some advanced customization options. If you know a bit of CSS or are willing to learn, you can adjust the visual styling to fit seamlessly with the rest of your site. Go back to the Appearance tab, then select Theme Editor. Be extra cautious here because changing code can impact your entire website's functionality. It's a good idea to back up your site before making any changes. Finally, always preview your site on different devices to ensure the sidebar maintains its effectiveness across all screen sizes. Consistency is crucial for user satisfaction. And there you have it. You now know how to add a right sidebar in your WordPress theme. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy designing!